welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be cooking together. But you may ask yourself, what are we cooking? Today we'll be trying something we never tried before, homemade treats. So yes, these treats will be for Whiskey and Lady. So we'll be baking them from ingredients that we have at home. We're inspired by a recipe we found online. It will be linked down below. And if you do end up trying this recipe, just tell us down in the comments. How did it go for you? Did your cats or dogs like them? At the end of this video, of course, we'll be showing you guys how Lady and Whiskey reacted. So per usual, you guys don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you aren't already subscribed. Like this video if you enjoyed it and ring that notification bell to become part of our notification squad. So let's get into it. Sorry guys for the dishes in the background, I just haven't got to them yet.
I don't really wanna do the work today.
Okay, so let's see. The recipe we'll be trying is from RubySoho89 on Instagram. We found her recipe on care.com. They are called fresh baked flour treats. So let's see what ingredients we need. I found the quantities of the ingredients on the website pets.thenest.com. It will be linked down below. So we will need a half a can of tuna, a half a cup of whole wheat flour. I just realized Lady and Whiskey can eat flour and I can't. Celiac squad! I want to know, do I have any celiac whiskers out there? If you don't know what the celiac disease is, it's when your body can't process gluten. Yeah. We also need a fourth of a cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil, and 1 whole egg. Let's try this out. We have our all-purpose flour. We have our olive oil. Yeah. We have our tuna. We have some tuna. Oh, yes, you like tuna. Yes, you want the tuna. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's some good tuna. You're both gonna have some, I promise. You also have the milk with the little rainbow for ça va bien aller. It's a hashtag in Quebec, I guess they're everywhere. And 1 whole egg. Do not yeet this off the counter, please. Whiskey! Let's get into it. Yeah, let's get started. Okay, so let's see. So let's pull back our sleeves.
You gotta roll up our sleeves and just dig in.
And while mommy is baking, Whiskey is eating. So it says here that you have to take your half a can of raw tuna and smash it with a fork. Get your little face out of there. No, that's sharp, honey. So we got the tuna. We're gonna remove the excess liquid. Oh my. I told you you'd like filming this video. So while Whiskey is enjoying the mess that I did, we'll take half of this tuna. Oh God. And we're gonna smash it. Oh, they said a fork. We're gonna do it by the rules. It's nice. I don't know what point they want it to be smashed. Okay, so this is what half a cup of tuna looks like after it's been smashed. Just drop a lot on the floor. Put some more! Let's put some more! Don't be shy, put some more! I dropped some on the floor, so Lady was glad she could help with that. So it now says that we have to add a half a cup of flour. So we got our faithful helper here while Whiskey is asleep. So let's add some flour. Oh wow! So it says to then smash some more. Smash some more! Put some more! Screw it, let's just use our hands. Oh wow. This was not the right day to wear white, I can tell you that. Now we have to add a fourth a cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil, and 1 whole egg. A fourth a cup of milk, 8 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and 1 whole egg. So now that our ingredients are all together, so after pouring the milk over the flour tuna mix, then adding the oil and the egg, stir together with the fork until the ingredients are thoroughly mixed together. So let's thoroughly mix this. So now that the ingredients are all mixed together, so we're gonna prepare our baking pan. So we lined our baking pan with some parchment paper. So we have to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And while it's preheating, we can continue with our recipe. They said to line it with a cooking spray, but I don't have that with me. So I'll use an old trick and line the pan and the cooking sheet with some vegetable oil on a paper towel. We're gonna scoop out a little portion, like they said. On a separated plate, we separate it in two. So you can know how to use for one ball. And now we take this. And we make little balls. And we just continue doing this with all the dough. We have a long way to go. So we had to take a second pan because that little pan wasn't enough. And we still have all of this to place. So we are finished with this batter. The little balls have been spread out. Some of them look a little rough, but we'll see how it turns out in a few minutes. So let's start a timer. Here we go. You excited? Does it smell good? Oh, it smells good. Are you excited? You excited for your cookies? Oh, yeah you are. Okay. So with our faithful Darth Vader cooling glove. Oh, they smell like tuna. I know someone that's gonna like them. Okay. They look like this. They are kind of squishy. I don't know if you can see, but they are squishy. I think Lady will enjoy them the most because she is the older one. And her general teeth are older than Whiskers because he is 3 and she is about to turn 11. By the way, her birthday is on May 20th, if you want to add that to your calendar. But yeah, so we'll see how both of them react. Does it smell good? So we have to let these babies cool down first. You want to try it? Oh, oh wow, somebody likes it. Wow, oh, he likes them, yay! So we're gonna try a bigger chunk for Lady. Choose this one. Hi, baby girl. Sit. Does she like? You like them too? Wow! Oh, she likes them! Oh, baby girl! Yay! You want some more? Oh, you want some more? So if Mr. here decides to sit for the treat, it means it's a success. Sit. You want a treat? Sit. Sit. Good boy! So you guys, we're happy to say that these treats were Whiskey and Lady approved. So if you do want to try this recipe, it will be linked down below. Whiskey! So they both approved of these treats. I am very happy that I did not do all of this work for nothing. At least he was grateful. So if this difficult little monster approved of these treats, yeah, you did. Your cat is for sure going to enjoy these. So thank you guys for watching yet another one of our videos. We try to post as much as we can, so please subscribe to our channel, like this video if you enjoyed it, and if you want to be part of our notification squad, just ring that notification bell. So you guys, you know the drill. We'll leave you on a special message from Whiskey. Bye Whiskers, we love you.